Hey guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're having a great day. As you guys can see, I'm out on the water. I'm up here in Orlando fishing with Garret. He's a Florida stud. He has a pretty big Instagram page as well. I'll leave a link down below, and I'll leave the name of his Instagram on the screen if you guys want to go give him a follow. But like I was saying, he knows his way around Orlando, so hopefully we will be able to catch a couple fish. It's absolutely cruddy outside. It's freezing. I'm wearing 2 sweaters, Under Armour, and this coat, and I'm still slightly cold. As you guys can see, there is no sun, and we had the full moon last night, so I don't know how it's going to affect fishing, but hopefully we'll be able to pull something together and catch a couple of fish. So let's see what we can do out here in Orlando. Garrett's on with a fish. Need some help, or you got it?
No, guy, yet.
Oh, foul hooked. Well, at least we know they're here. Little guy. Florida bass are so dark.
Yeah.
They're so dark.
He was just. He was that deep. It wasn't that thick grass, as you can tell. It's not staying on.
Yeah.
Bottom. So.
Hugging bottom. Broke me right off. I just got broken right off. You see him jump after? He jumped right after.
What?
Right off.
No. Oh,
Palomar not. Palomar not. You see him jump after? Nah.
What? Was he a good one?
Well, he full on thumped it. Probably at least 2-3 pounds.
Oh my.
I don't know. I didn't like. He wasn't on for long enough for me to tell. Jeez. Palomar knot. I just tied it. I don't screw around with my knots either.
So you're just reeling it in, and he just came up.
I wasn't reeling it in. I was hopping it.
Oh.
Yeah, I was hopping it. Well, guys, my first decent bite of the day. I done did it. Screwed it up a little bit. Well, I owe Garret $3 for tungsten.
It's all good.
So I switched up to a little baby brush hog, as you guys can see. I got that one bite on a Senko. I want to try the brush hog, see if they'll be more committed to this one. Yeah. Yeah, bud. You want to help?
Nah.
No? You got it? Garrett's figured something out. Second hit. That's not a bad fish, bud. That is not a bad fish.
So he's been eating.
Oh yeah.
So.
So dark. They're so pretty down here.
Oh yeah.
What? Can you see anything in the mouth? In the gullet? No.
Just checking him.
Little Lake Fork guy action over there.
Shiners.
Shiners.
Yeah.
You can tell by the smell what they're eating.
Yeah.
You gotta teach me that, bud.
Shiners.
Shiners. That's a second fish for Garret.
Thumped it.
Thumped it.
So, I mean, he stopped it.
It might be a lipless deal then.
But once I catch the third one,
Then it's
there it goes.
No way. You're kidding me. You're kidding me.
I'm not even joking. A little bit better.
All right, I'll tie on
I'll give you one.
a lipless. I'll tie on a lipless. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. There you go.
Sounds like the same deal. Fish.
There you go. There you go.
Same deal.
Still fat. They're like fat all the way down to the tail.
Still shiners.
Still shiners?
Or it's still like bait fish.
Nice. Heck yeah, bud. It's a lipless deal.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Smell like smell like that's what they like to feed on out here. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. That's probably where they came from.
Oh yeah.
That is not bad. It's right behind the boat. Let's see if I can yo-yo them up. That one. Oh, he's just twirling in. That's a little bigger, yeah.
Oh, like when he thumped it.
It's a decent sized fish. Boop! Garrett's kicking my butt out here. Yeah. No. No.
Was that one? Oh my god.
He pantsed me. No. Right at the edge.
That's your fish. I'm not catching.
He barely bit though.
It's gonna be a very subtle bite.
Yeah. Little squeaker. I didn't have my camera rolling. Nice Florida bass. Exactly what I came for. He ate it though. Exactly what I came for. Boop. Oh, he got stuck. He got stuck to my
He wanted to taste that spicy.
He got it. Oh, there you go. You know, he got stuck to my glove. But we switched it up. We're in a cove right now. Flipping. Sun came out a little bit. I'm using a little cover craw with a 1/2 ounce tungsten. Weight in the front. Garrett's using a Senko of some sort, like a punch skirt. And we're just punching. You guys didn't see the hook set because I didn't have my camera rolling, but came out from right underneath that dock. My first bass on this trip. Starting big. Yeah. Yeah. Little guy again. He choked it. Wow. Can't seem to get the size, but they're here. You guys can see right there. Globbered it. Cover craw, little fish. Nothing too big, but we're upgrading. We're slowly upgrade to a nice 6 or 7 pounder, hopefully. Oh, that came out of that right there.
No bueno.
No bueno. So this lake wasn't really what we were expecting. The bite kind of shut down with the cold front, we think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of shut down.
45 minutes of catching, then next you know it just died down.
Yeah. The first 45 minutes he caught 3. I lost that one. And later on we flipped some docks, I caught 2. And caught a couple of bluegill. But we're gonna move lakes. You guys can see we're all packed up and ready to go. It's between 2 lakes here in Orlando. We'll figure it out in the car. But hopefully we can find somewhere where the fish are biting a little bit more so we can get on some fish. That's the plan, get on some fish. So I'll see you guys at the next lake. So as you guys can see, new lake. Hopefully a little bit of a better deal than the last one. We're making a tight squeeze to go to the mother lode of fish. Good? Oh wow. The water's a lot clearer here. Hopefully this is gonna all work out. It's like a pond, it's really small. The water here is super clear. Like, reminds me of back home kind of clear. We saw a gar cruise by. Is that bed? Yeah. Nothing on it. It's a bed right there that Garret found before. There's nothing on it though. That's weird. There's one right there. Nothing on that one. Where are the beds at?
You're gonna put it up too. I just saw your personal best bass. Or probably PB.
Where?
Right under the boat.
You're kidding me. You're kidding
I
me.
saw the tail.
You're kidding me. Garret just saw my personal best swim under the boat. Well guys, we have moved spots once again. We're on a new chain of lakes here in Orlando. I tried a Chick-fil-A for the first time. Very happy, very impressed. Hopefully we get that chain in Canada. But like I said, new chain of lakes. Hopefully we can figure something out finally. This Florida strain bass is really agitating. That's the word. That's a good word, right? Agitating me right now. We can't really seem to figure them out. Probably something to do with the cold front, shutting them down. Maybe the full moon last night. But we will figure something out. We'll hopefully catch a couple more fish. We are all rigged up, ready to go. Show you guys what I have tied on. Here we have a brush hog. We have a lipless, a spy bait. Yes, this is an eye prop by Jackal. I'm throwing a spy bait in Florida, and a jig. So that's what I've been pretty much throwing this whole time. Other than I flipped a couple mats, but can't seem to find any fish in there. Yeah, we're gonna launch into this chain of lakes. Hopefully, hide from the wind a little bit. I don't know, we'll see, and try to catch some Florida mondos. Oh my God! There's a bass. Yeah, he's coming towards it. He's coming towards it. Oh my gosh! He was on that bed. He was on that bed.
No, he's on the bed. Like,
oh yeah! Oh, there's so many of them. Look at that! That's a toad! Yo, that's a toad!
Foot down here, foot down here.
There's a toad over there!
Yeah, there's he's coming. Wait.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.